Hey guys, in the video today we're going to show you how to replace the brake light on a 2006 Corolla. As you can see, this one here is working fine. However, the one on this side is not working at all. So first thing we need to do is go ahead and pop the trunk. Alright guys, we're inside the trunk here. There's a little cover, like a little access panel. It just pops off really easy. It's just felt, you know. Inside here, this is going to be your brake light. This is going to be your blinker. So on the brake light here, we're going to twist it this direction. So that's counterclockwise, okay? And it's just a small, like maybe ½ inch or ¼ inch turn, okay? And then it's going to loosen up. We can pull it straight out. And we're just gonna, this bulb here should just pull directly out. There it goes. It's in there pretty tight. Yeah, you can see this one is burnt out. You can see the little filament there is broke. You know, it's got some black marks on it and stuff. So obviously bad. These are the new ones. Got these from Walmart. They were just under $5. You know, for my particular car, 2006 Toyota Corolla, it takes a 3157. You get two of them. I'm just going to replace one of them today. So I've already opened this up. I'm just going to take this light bulb out. And just as easily as that other one came out, this one's going to snap right back in. You can hear it click in. We're going to go ahead and put it back in the hole here. And just line it up. These little pieces here. And here, you'll see when you're doing this, you're going to see that they fit in here in a particular way. And once they're in there, you're going to do the same thing you did before, but just now in the opposite direction. So now you're going to turn it about a ¼ or ½ inch clockwise until you hear it click, just like that. We can go ahead and test it at this point. Alright guys, got the thumbs up that it's working. We can restore the access cover. You know, these little corner pieces just are the pieces that stick out. So these little middle flaps on everything are the ones that go in. And there it is, all done. See, it's pretty simple. Should just take you a few minutes. I want to thank you again for watching. Please subscribe. Alright guys, thanks for watching. As you can see, it was a pretty easy fix and did it for around $5. Questions or comments below. I'll do my best to answer in a timely manner. I want to thank you guys again for watching. Please subscribe and we'll see you next time. Thank you.